Hello, bonjour, hola, welcome to South by Sarah. My name is Sarah Marie. If you're new here, this is a space where I share where I shop while traveling, how I style pieces I already own for every occasion, and how I make dresses and skirts feel effortless for everyday life. In today's video, I'm going to share a trick I use to find fabulous pieces for less. Before we get started, feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content. It really helps support my channel. One of my goals is to one day attend a fashion week and continue creating free content to help women elevate their personal style. Thank you for your support. If you live in Canada or the US, you are likely familiar with TJX companies such as Winners and Marshalls. For those of you who do not know, these stores resemble large department stores without walls separating the sections. They deliver great value on a selection of exciting top brands and home fashions from around the world at prices generally 20 to 60% below full price retailers' regular prices. Over the last year or so, I have been going to Winners and Marshalls more often, and I've been quite impressed with what I have walked out with. That being said, with no clear vision of what you are looking for, you can end up spending a lot of time going through racks without any success or spending money on pieces that are not necessarily for you. This is the exact trick I use to find high quality pieces at Winners without wasting hours or overspending. My trick is simple. I don't go in blind. I go in with trend direction and quality in mind. Prior to a trip to Winners, I like to look at websites from brands I like from Europe. In general, I find European brands to be ahead of the trends, which helps me make smarter decisions about what I buy and what I will get the most wear out of. A great source for this is ASOS, which carries brands like Topshop and Miss Selfridge. After browsing these websites and seeing recurring themes like denim and peplum style dresses, I had a good idea of what I was looking for when I went to Winners back in February. The next step is to make sure I am choosing quality pieces that are worth my money and that I will actually get a lot of wear out of. I do my best to avoid pieces made mostly of polyester at higher price points, trendy items that don't align with my wardrobe, and buying something just because it's discounted. I usually scan racks by fabric and where it's made, looking for cotton, linen, or wool, even before checking the style. For me, it's not about buying more, it's about buying better. This denim dress was immediately attractive to me as it is 100% cotton. I also recognized that with a few modifications, I knew I would be able to wear this on different occasions and different ways. See my YouTube shorts for more on this. Another win was this denim Abercrombie dress. According to the tag, it retails for around $120, but it was marked for $25. To me, this was a no-brainer. This dress was worth it. Voilà, c'est tout pour aujourd'hui. If you've ever shopped at Winners or Marshalls, I'd love to know what's the best piece you've found there. And if you want to see how I style pieces like these in different ways, make sure to check out my YouTube shorts and subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Hasta luego. Bisous. Bye.